Have you ever wanted to start making money online, but didn't know where to begin? Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to do it, but for beginners, it can feel confusing. Too many strategies, too many platforms, and no clear starting point. That's exactly what this ebook is designed to solve. Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, the complete guide to building your first profitable online business, gives you a structured path from zero experience to real results. Instead of overwhelming you with theory, it focuses on simple, actionable steps. You learn how affiliate marketing actually works, and more importantly, how to apply it in a practical way. Inside, the ebook walks you through the fundamentals, like choosing the right niche, understanding your audience, and selecting affiliate products that make sense. Because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is promoting random products without a clear strategy. It also covers traffic, how to bring people to your content using methods like SEO, social media, or email, and how to turn that traffic into actual sales. Another important part is avoiding common mistakes. Instead of wasting time testing everything blindly, you follow a clearer roadmap that helps you move forward with confidence. And that's the key idea behind this guide. It's not about shortcuts or unrealistic promises. It's about building something real, an online income stream that can grow over time. This makes it perfect if you're starting from zero and want a simple, structured way to get into affiliate marketing. If you've been thinking about it but didn't know where to start, this ebook gives you a clear direction. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. Go check it out and take your first step into affiliate marketing.